Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To improve the sound quality on your Hisense Smart TV, first, access the sound settings from the main menu to adjust bass, treble, and balance. Consider enabling surround sound for a more immersive experience. If your TV supports it, Dolby Atmos can significantly enhance audio depth and clarity. Additionally, external speakers or a soundbar can be connected via HDMI ARC or Bluetooth for superior sound quality. Regularly updating your TV software can also ensure optimal performance and sound enhancements.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.